With the momshies and friends.
What's up, momshies and friends? In today's episode, I would like to share our half-day tour adventure in Coron, Palawan, Philippines. Before the lockdown in Manila, we were able to enjoy the last days of our vacation in this beautiful paradise. Touchdown Coron at 11:45 a.m. Then just outside the airport, we ride the van going to our accommodation for about 40 minutes.
Hi momshies! Welcome to my vlog! Finally, we're here in booking.com accommodation here in Coron, Philippines. Ito yung view from the veranda. O, diba? Actually, if you go one floor up, you can see the beach and the Mount Tapyas. Few minutes away lang, few minutes trek from here. Then, you're gonna reach the Mount Tapyas. So, let's check out the view first, momshies. Here, on the fourth floor, you will see the view. Ganda ng steps niya. Super linis, momshi. Steps ba? 700 steps, tita. Ayan, andun yung... Aray, 700? Andun ang beach. And ito ang Mount Tapyas. Ito, diba?
After we unpacked and had a quick tour in Aquilah Homestay, we had to grab some late lunch at Lolo Nonoy's food station. Our accommodation is only 10 minutes walk to the city center and approximately 15 minutes to Lolo Nonoy's. Here in Lolo Nonoy's, you can order cooked meals or meals to be prepared. Price is good compared to other restaurants in Coron, and their sisig is to die for.
Hi there, momshies! So, we're right here in Arlene's Expedition Travel and Tours. Okay. So, with Ninang Shi here. Look at your Ninang. Very sexy Nina. So we just booked our 3 tours for the next consecutive days here in Coron, and we're gonna join the tours in which one? The Super Ultimate and the Reef and Rex tour. So momshies, if you wanna get a good deal, just come here in Arlene's Expedition Travels and Tours, and we're gonna see if Baby Miri will like it. You know, we brought her own life jacket. So I'm gonna give you a review regarding her own life jacket, if it's really worth the price. And also the tours here in Coron. So we're gonna have a surprise birthday party for the Popshi because he's turning 30 years old. Can you imagine? Let's check it out. What's gonna happen, Popshis? See you! We're still here in Coron. And ito. Single match. Hindi ko na kaya mag-catch up pa kay Babe Shi at kay Pop Shi. Halfway through pa lang ako pero parang on top ng feeling.
Bilang kalo, ma'am.
Oh. Ang ganda ng view, diba?
Kagi! Dito ka sa video.
Lang, 100 steps. Meron pa lang. 100 steps and ganito ang view. Ayun ang mag-view na nakikita na ito sa Coron. Sa may Tapyas mo. Tatingnan nyo naman si Ma'am G. After 100 steps, this is how I look like. Super haggard na agad. Unglam, super unglam. Super pagod. And super pawisan. Ganun lang. Doon na lang tayo sa view tumingin. Dahil tingnan naman. Walang exercise si Mom. She's konting akyat, pagod na pagod. Ay, wala ako ni Popshi at ni Babesy. Wala na sila. Diyos ko, Lord. Labot na ako ng sunset sa 200 steps. Actually, finally, we're here. Literally, on top of Mount Tapyas. Ayun o, yan na ebidensya. Yung cross. Diba? 724 steps to heaven. Oh my God, where's my baby? Partida, hindi ko pa kinarga si baby.
Mount Tapyas is the most popular viewpoint in Coron town in Busuanga, with sweeping views over the rolling hills and a direct look towards the epic Coron Island in Palawan. It is within walking distance of most hotels, making it very accessible and favorite spot among tourists.
Hello, baby! Nandito kami ngayon sa Maquinit Hot Spring. Mama! Ayun o, yung hot spring doon, di ba, baby? Grabe, Mamshi. After a hell of a ride, we made it! 14 minutes from the bottom of Tapyas Mountain to Maquinit Hot Spring. Imagine, sobrang bilis ni Manong taxi driver. Ay, Manong tricycle driver. Okay, so it's just for Mamshi. I'm left behind with a babe sheet here. Okay, everybody's there. Having some fun in Maquinit Hot Spring. Ninang Sexy is there. Julie Maltz. And the Omishi and the Popshi. So Popshi's gonna check out first if Baby Miri can handle the water. Because it's kind of warm. Since it's a hot spring. Like, it is my first time to try a real hot spring. Wherein it doesn't look like a swimming pool. So it's made of stones. Natural warm water. So seems like they're having fun. Baby's done drinking milk. Okay, so now, okay, baby, let's go swimming.
Maquinit Hot Springs is the only saltwater spring in the Philippines. It is fueled by an active underwater volcano. The temperature of the water is similar to that of a hot tub and fluctuates between 38 to 40 degrees.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Oh, pag-focus pa. With the momshies and friends.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch out for Coron's Super Ultimate Tour. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!